All right, folks, it's Daniel. What you see here is one bed of chill tepins. Yes, I said that right, chill tepin. Some people call them chili pekin. That's not it, they're different. Get a close up here. That's what they look like, little round balls. Anyway, I have two of these beds. As you can tell, it's overcast. It's kind of hazy out here. And if you see on this one, these things produce all year round, basically. You can see little tiny green ones already here. What we're going to do here today is because we're getting close to a real bad cold front coming through. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some cuttings, see if we can get ahead of the game so I have some extra ones next year. So we're going to take some cuttings, and then we're going to cut the paper plants back. And then I'll cover them. Put a good light in there. Everything will be great. So, again, that's what our little project is today. Thanks for coming around, checking us out. And yeah, if you look up the chill tepin plant, you'll find out they're hot little boogers. They are hot. Boy, they're tasty. All right, we'll catch back up whenever we get them all cut down and go from there. All right, have a good one. All right, folks, we're stepping back in here. We got the assistant, the lovely Kim, helping out here. What we're going to do here is we've already picked all the fruit that was still on it and got that there. And then we're back to here, and we're going to cut off all what's already dead, browned off, no leaves. And that way we know exactly which things we can possibly grab. And we're going to try to make some cuttings, as I said earlier, hopefully to get a jump start for next year.
Total experiment.
We've not done this before, so this is all just seeing what happens. So, as you can see, she's just cutting off the dead right now. Here in a little bit, you probably understand how to cut back stuff, so we'll just start cutting them like little small cuttings and put them in our trays here, and we'll pick it back up when we're at that point. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to decided we're going to do, and again, we've not done this before, so this is just us doing what we think is right. So basically, we're going to cut everything down to about 6 inches. All the green that we can get off of it, we're going to start trying to make cuttings. We've got the stuff called Clonex. Okay, we've got a vine in here apparently.
No. It's just they get tangled.
No, I know. Anyway, we've got some stuff that's called Clonex. You can look it up, and yeah, it might be used in some of these other industries. But these apparently do about the same as those other industries when you do the cloning, so that's why we have them. We've also got these little things that we're going to be putting our cuttings in. We'll get to those in a little while. But this is what you have to do to get it ready for the cold, and so we can put the heat lamps on them. And hopefully next year we'll end up with about 2 to 3 times the amount of peppers.
All right, so here's our pepper plants that we cut back way down. Makes me want to cry. And our PVC setup here, so you can see it just runs across. And we've got the plastic on, and then we were able to hang the heat lamps in there. And then we just weighed it down with some bricks.
All right, folks. So we're going to do some cuttings. We're going to try to put these in here. So right here is the general hydroponics type deal. You can see it's the plant starters. Look in here. You'll see what they look like. All right. Told you about the Clonex. There it is. And so again, you can look it up. Yeah, it's recommended for other industries too, but it's all right. Here's another one that works the exact same way. Same kind of plugs, that kind of deal. And you just put these on top of a heat pad, and it does does everything you need. So
Yep, it falls apart a little bit more.
it's all right. But here we are. So we're going to be doing this. As you can see, we've got plenty to go here, and we'll get back to you whenever we have these all stuck in here. And we do have a couple other peppers that we might be messing with. So you can see that that's really dark. It's just a mystery pepper. Don't worry about that. Okay. All right, folks, so this is how you do it. You cut it off, you can see just a little bit of the tree, like what it would be. Dip it in there, and then inside it into that little hole. And there you go. That's how they tell you that you can clone things. So we're gonna see how it works, all right? So anybody doesn't ask, hey, how did you do it? You see? Do it again. So cut that down. And there you go. This is us attempting to do some cloning. Let's see how it goes. And again, we will keep you updated on this because this is our little pet project. Alrighty, guys. Here you go. This is 100 cuttings. Doesn't seem like it, but that is 100 cuttings. We've got some more over here. We're going to try for the water. See how that goes. See if they'll seed up. Or I shouldn't say seed up. See if they'll root up. And, well, this is what we cut back, and we could probably still do more. A little more right there. So, just understand, we're trying to have some fun with some chill tappings. Makes the best sauce ever. But we'll get into that later. Alrighty, so here we are. Yeah, it's night. Yeah, you see bricks all aligned on this. We won't be keeping the lights on all night tonight on this one because it's not that cold. But this is what it is. We're doing this for our little chill tappings. We've cut them back. We've got everything set up. And we are ready to go for the cold that's going to come this week. And then we'll take them off. But listen, your peppers in this part of the Texas area, they'll make it overnight. They'll make it over winter. Hell, some of these have been here for years. So that's how it goes.